Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Explaindio 2022 review. We're going to be taking a close look at Explaindio, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm going to be giving you to get you the best results with Explaindio 2022. This goes live on the 27th of March by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. This is not the first time Explaindio is being launched. Probably not the second time. This is probably the third time, or maybe the second time. But Explaindio, in a nutshell, is a software that allows you to create, stunning videos. Now, different types of videos, just like the name Explaindio sounds like. This allows you to create explainer videos. You've probably seen these videos on YouTube. One cool thing about these kind of videos is they get people's attention. So if you are looking at driving traffic, let's say you want to create video sales letters, you want to create YouTube videos, you want to create videos for training your members area, or basically, to explain something, to tell a story, this is a tool that allows you, to exactly do that. This is a desktop software that allows you to, create these converting videos, even if you have zero experience with website creation. Now, this is so easy to use. You're also going to be getting training on how to use this, but this is so easy to use. Even as a teenager, you are going to be able to create some high quality content with the Explaindio software. Now, this is the 2022 version they are going to be getting access to. This is my bonus page. You'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. So I'm going to go through my custom bonuses, and then I'm going to also let you see the coupon you are going to be able to use to get 66% off. And also I'm going to let you see how Explaindio 2022 works. There's a full demo also right here on the on this bonus page, but not to worry, you are going to see the full demo also in this review. So let's talk about the custom bonuses you're going to be getting on top of these from me. Bonus number one, you're going to be getting access to cut out transparent background images. Now, these images are special in that you can actually place them, in any. You can use them to create some stunning graphics. You can place them on any background, and you can use this for videos. You can use this on websites. The cool thing is you can basically, let's say take the image of this lady now, go and put it in on a completely different background, and this actually gives you flexibility to create exactly, the type of content you want to create. When you're talking about graphics design, it just makes your job easy. You can basically go to Canva, put these images on any background, and then you are generating some high quality graphics that get people's attention without you even being a professional graphic designer. So you are getting a bundle of high quality cut out transparent background images, meaning they don't have a background. That's what it means. And then you can go and use them on any background. Bonus number two, you're going to be getting access to a video traffic software. Now, this allows you to drive traffic using other people's viral videos. You would not need to create videos to use this to drive traffic. No video creation is needed now, and you also get to use this in any niche you want. Make money online, affiliate marketing, health and fitness, weight loss, dog training, spirituality, law of attraction, whatever niche you are in, you are going to be able to use this to drive traffic without you creating videos. Now, what you need to do is log into the cloud-based software set based on keyword, like how to train your dog, how to make money online, how to get paid with affiliate marketing, free networks, all those kind of things. And you are going to get these viral videos. Now, these videos are proven to get people's attention because they are viral already. People are actually interacting with these videos. You are going to be able to place your own affiliate links on top of these videos. You can actually upload images that are going to show up. Your images are going to show up on these viral videos. And when people see the playback of these videos, they see your images pop up to them, and they can actually click on your images. When they do that, it's going to take them to your link. You can even add clickable call to actions you can add opt-in forms that show up on these videos. So this allows you to build your list while driving a ton of traffic with affiliates, offers. Yeah, this is completely free traffic, and you're going to be getting this as bonus number 2 from me. Bonus number 3 is a Facebook traffic software. Now this allows you to drive a ton of traffic in any niche from Facebook. This allows you to put the whole process on automation: multimedia, video, images, link tests. You can schedule this content to go out, manage pages, do all sort of amazing things using this software, and ultimately put the whole process on automation. You get access to custom page builder for you, that makes the whole process easy for you. Bonus number 4 is a doodle video software you can use. Either you're using Windows or Mac, you're going to be able to create these doodle videos. These are proven to get people's attention at every single time. You've probably seen a lot of these videos on YouTube. And then this particular software, Explaindio itself allows you to create doodle videos. Now you're getting access to extra software that allows you to, you can basically upload an image and this software will doodle it for you. You get an MP4 video which you can actually use on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, on any video platform, so to speak. Bonus number 5, I'm going to be showing you in a video tutorial here how to get paid with videos, especially on YouTube. A number of ways you can actually create these videos that are free to create. I'm going to show you how to get free resources, how to use a professional video creation and video editing software that is completely free, which ought to be a paid software, so to speak. But I'm going to show you, this is a free software, and create some high quality, even 4K, whatever type of quality of video you want to create here. And this doesn't take time. Even a complete newbie, will be able to create this kind of videos that I'm going to be talking to you about. And not only that, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to make money with these videos. Bonus number 6, if you are doing affiliate marketing or launching your own products or doing anything online, if you are offering some high quality bonuses, this is actually proven to get you the best conversions. So you're getting access to a premium bonus page creator software as bonus number 6. This comes with done for you bonuses, done for you graphics. Delivery is automatic, as at the time you're actually creating these bonus pages, you would be able to create your own bonus pages in less than a minute, and this gives you access to create unlimited campaigns. And bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my bonuses. Now to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page and it's going to take you to the sales page of Explaindio 2022, which is the business edition. This is where you're going to be able to pick up Explaindio, and also where you're going to be getting full information about the software. So it says work less and earn more with Explaindio business edition. So essentially, you can basically go on marketplace like Fiverr, create videos like this, like the ones you are going to be able to create with Explaindio. Sell these videos for upwards of $50, $100, even $200, and even more, because this is, a top-notch software, so to speak. Discover a secret WARP video technology which makes more sales of both your own and affiliate products, and makes businesses crave your video services, even if you have no clue how to make a video. Animation, explainer, doodle sketch, and motion videos in minutes. This is probably the best kind of video creator in this category, that I know, so to speak. So this is the sales page. Come check this out in your own time to get more information about Explaindio 2022. So come check this out in your own time to get more information about this. And then to get this, if you are getting, so let's talk about the pricing. Let's talk about the pricing here. The front end goes for, there are different options here. You have the $67 per annum edition. You can decide to get this for $67 per year, or $27 per month, or $497 one time. That means one time fee. Pay once, use it for life. But you get access for this lifetime option, $497 lifetime option. You even get access to 71% off by using Explaindio 71 off on the 497. So that is pretty cool. You're probably going to be getting this for less than $100. I mean, which makes a lot of sense for the one-time offer. So you're going to be getting 71% off, meaning you are going to be picking this up for 29%, of this price. I think this makes a lot of sense. Makes a lot of sense. And that's for the front end, that gives you access to all the features. You're going to see the full demo shortly. OTU number one is the Explaindio Club that goes for $119 per year, or $17 per month, or $397 one time. I guess there's going to be a discount coupon for that also once you get to the sales page. That's the first upgrade, and this allows you to take your videos and business to the next level with Explaindio Profit Club. OTO number two is Explaindio Pro Creator Pack that goes for $67. You get to improve, enhance, and elevate your videos. You get 700 premium transitions, plus 165 3D logo strings, intros, and outros. This OTO number two goes for $67. OTO number three is 500 drawn emotional characters that goes for $47. Reinforce any video by touching the deepest human emotions with the relatable characters to skyrocket engagement and results. This goes for $47. Now there are some optional upgrades also, which I don't have access to for now, but you get access to maybe a couple of other upgrades for Explaindio 2022. So that's my review of Explaindio 2022. Stay tuned right now for the demo. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thank you for checking out these reviews. Bye for now.